Hello friends, welcome to MAT. In this video we are going to discuss about profit and loss appropriation account under partnership basics. Let's see little detail about profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account of the firm. It starts with net profit and shows how the profits distributed among the partners, and also we should record interest on partner capital, salary to partner, commission, etc. we need to record in profit and loss appropriation account, and the net profit will divide among the partners. Let's see the practical problem. Ramesh and Suresh are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Their capitals as on 1/4/2019 were rupees 1 lakh and 80,000 respectively. They earned a profit of rupees 70,000 as on 31/3/2020 before allowing the following: interest on capital 6% per annum, monthly salary payable to Ramesh rupees 1000, commission payable to Suresh rupees 5000, their drawings being rupees 7500 and 6500 respectively, interest on the same rupees 750 and 650 respectively. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. In this question, expenses as well as incomes are given, so we need to separate the expenses and we need to separate the incomes. Expenses we should record debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, and incomes we should record credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. The incomes I gave in green color and the expenses I gave in the red color. Now we'll see what and all. Incomes first. The partners earned a profit of rupees 70,000 is an income, so we should record credit side. And the interest on drawings 750 and 650 is an income for the business. This we should record credit side. And expenses, interest on capital is an expenses of the firm to the partner. We should record debit side, as well as salary, commission. We need to record debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Now we'll see how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. P&L appropriation account come under expenses and incomes category according to American approach. When expenses increase, we need to debit. When incomes increase, we need to credit according to American approach. We should write the heading profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31/3/2020, and we should then make a format particulars amount, particulars amount. Debit side we should record all the expenses which already seen in the question. So to interest on capital, Ramesh invested 1 lakh rupees. We need to calculate 6% on 1 lakh. So 6,000 is an Ramesh interest, and Suresh invested 80,000 into the firm and he is getting 6% interest, 4,600. So total interest 10,600, and Ramesh is getting salary from the firm, so we should record Ramesh salary 1000 into 12 because he is getting monthly salary, so per month 1000 rupees into 12 months, so total 12,000. And Suresh is getting commission from the business, and to Suresh commission we should record 5,000 rupees. So debit side we recorded all the expenses. Now we need to record incomes in the credit side by profit and loss account. The firm earned a profit of 70,000, we should record credit side. And also interest on drawings is an income of the firm, so Ramesh interest on drawings is 750 and Suresh 650, so total interest on drawings is 1,400. Now we need to find out net profit of the firm. So 70,000 is an P&L, 1,400 is an interest on drawings. The total income of the firm is then 71,400. In this we need to minus expenses of the firm. So 10,600, 12,000 and 5,000 is an expenses. So 71,400, if we minus all the expenses, the balance we will get 43,800. This 43,800 we should divide among the partners in their ratio. According to question, the ratio is 5:3. So Ramesh will get a share of 43,800 into 5/8, and Suresh will get 43,800 into 3/8. So Ramesh will get 27,375 according to his ratio, and Suresh will get 16,425 according to his ratio. The total profit is 43,800. This we should transfer to partners capital account. Hope understood the concept. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.